Welcome everyone to the last lunch at the markets for 2009. You may not be able to see what I have on today, so I'll stand up so you can see it. That's right. I'm wearing my Cincinnati hoodie sweatshirt, and I bet you can guess why I'm wearing it today. Right again. Tomorrow we play for the national championship. We play Florida. Okay, so we missed one field goal by Texas away from a shot at the national championship. If you ask me, I think we can take Texas. So today, we thrown aside our professionalism to get into tomorrow's big bowl game spirit. We hope you had a great year. We know that we did. With just over 2 hours left in the trading day, we're ready to get tomorrow's football mania started and forget about the markets for a few days. I know, that's blasphemy, but this year's been an insane one for sure. A week ago, we mentioned BJ's restaurant very briefly when we were talking about CHOP. Remember, CHOP stole the ticker symbol for what should be a restaurant, and they really do cold-rolled steel products. Well, BJRI popped up on our screener today. Thinking about all the food we're going to eat tonight and tomorrow, it makes this the perfect time to talk about a restaurant. BJ's Restaurant is a Chicago-style pizza and brewery. They also have a rather famous dessert called the Pizookie, which no one should dare eat by themselves. It's basically a pizza made out of cookie, topped with ice cream. It comes in about 5 flavors and is pretty magical if you ask me. They also brew their own root beer. Now, as someone who seems to eat at breweries all across the country and who doesn't drink, I never forget to ask when I'm at a brewery if they brew their own root beer. So far, BJ's is the only place I know of that does that, and I think that makes them special. We think they serve a portion of the population, those that don't drink but still love to eat brewery food, which we happen to think tastes quite good. So, with root beer brewed right there and the spinach and artichoke pizza, you've got a meal you can't get anywhere else. It's a little like a sports bar there with a huge bar area with lots of TVs and a dining area with tables and booths with more TVs. I've never eaten there without a wait, and it's primarily located out west from Washington to Arizona with 2 pockets, one around Texas and another pocket consisting of Ohio, Indiana, and Kentucky. Don't ask me how they got a BJ's, but they did. You can throw Florida on there as well. They're already adding 4 restaurants right now, 3 in Texas and 1 more in California, and the website says that they have ambitious plans to expand across America. We think that this is what Applebee's would look like if they had done it right. So, check out BJRI as they go national, like into the Northeast, like Pennsylvania, New York, New Jersey, and others. This stock will be on a lot more people's radar. Heck, Panera Bread Company, PNRA, is a $67 stock, and Chipotle Mexican Grill, CMG, is an $89 stock. So, BJRA should be able to see at least $25, if not twice that, as they expand throughout the U.S. Now, ICXT, boy did we get that one right. Its rise has been meteoric. Remember, we said that the rally in security stocks would be real if it looks like the technology would actually be adopted. Last night on Fast Money, they had an interview with ASCI CEO, who said that he had been contacted by the government and they are ready to ship the devices when they're asked to do so. It really looks like the trades are over, but we think this presents us with an investment opportunity. Similar to Seed, which shot out of nowhere to $14 and then right down to just under $10, the investment was at the $10 level after it came back down. Well, Seed is cleaning up the balance sheet, and that news got them back up to the $13 again, and it's fallen back down to $12. So, getting long at $10 has been a great trade twice, and we think that it will end up being a good investment each time. Euphoria seems to be wearing off on these trades, so we think now is the time to start scaling into ASCI and ICXT on the way down for the investment. Don't build a full position until you see a painful correction, but we think you can start to accumulate shares as it looks like the story is for real. Thanks again for joining us at Lunch of the Markets, and we'll see you next year. Yes, don't forget to check the stream tomorrow for our football mania, as we'll probably cover those games live on Ustream. 12 hours of football. Best day of football we've ever had. Happy New Year, everybody.